You already know what it is. It's your boy DMG. We over here posted at Blue Magic Built. Shout out to that boy Cadd. Kev over here, they doing their thing. We got mic'd up with Ace Witz behind the lens. Shout out to that boy. We're gonna walk around, show you what they got going on. Check it out. So the first thing I seen in him was a clean ass 72. Beautiful pearl paint. He's sitting on 30s. You're going LS swap, of course. Blue Magic Built especially. Got LSA going on. They mocking up everything I see. You know, that's a smart way to build. Mock everything up, bust it back down, powder coat, make everything pretty, wire up nice, turnkey. So, like I said, he said Dan and Son did the paint. They did an awesome job. They got a little sunroof action. 30s, bare brakes, of course. You know, the average for a dunk, man. So, moving on, he's got the grapes on the damn car. Gonna get us in trouble, bro. Don't let him ace bad news, bro. But good, he's my favorite manager. Let him do the thing. And now, got that boy. I don't know if you want to be mentioned, but fuck it. Yeah, I'll take it now. It ain't that boy, Black Boy, Lauderdale. 71 friend going in. I can't remember if it's a hard top or a vert, but he candy pen and he on these. What more do you want? And he had Blue Magic Built, so you know he running. So you got a little 4.9-inch action. QA1 kit going on for what I could see. Small hub Dayton's with the Vogue tire. This is a real Vogue tire. You can purchase that. Real Vogue tire. You can purchase that. It ain't that mustard mayo. Nothing against him. Shout out to that boy mustard mayo. He be doing his thing. But you could order that tire 24 for your Dayton's. Moving on. We're gonna walk this way with it. They got mean 75 up top. Small hub Dayton's too. With mayo and ketchup. Not mustard mayo, but mayo and ketchup. White stripe, red stripe. I believe they got LS swap going on in this too. Oh, with a little supercharged action too. Supercharged Dayton's in 75. They putting the rear end in. 4.9-inch, of course. They hold good power. They lightweight. They hold good power. With the right gears and all that, right geometry, they'll do their thing. Now this, one of my personal favorite. It's not a dunk. It's a G body, but you gotta respect the Grand National. Beautiful. It's all black. Chrome lip action. Corleone forge. Shout out to that boy Cadd again. I heard it's built, so it's by Blue Magic. So stay away from in the street. You already know. Moving on. I'm doing a little extra work to her before they take off again. Him nice, candy red, nice and sleek. Little supercharged action LS. You'll see in the video when I put it in the video when you do a little burnout. Hold on. A little back. Perfect, straight back. No, keep. No. You Gucci, keep coming. I'm gonna do a 3, bro. It was like a little bit to them. All you was like, ah! LS3 with an LSA blower. Everything done right. Got a Wagner kit on it. Meckman alternator. Shout out to them boys K-Fab. Kev, I fuck with you 1,000. You know. Nice cold air. You know. Heat exchanger up. Keep the supercharger cool, all that. Pretty nice up under here. Nice and clean. Hydro boost going on. It look like they got a Pros Hydro boost. You see that? Shout out to Pro Tuning. Everybody got their little hand in it, bro. Support, that's all I like. Out and show us, man. She clean. Go with that since all the right things. Duval. Shout out to boys in Duval. They been doing their thing since 2007 days, all that shit. I remember my old boy used to take us up there. As you know, we on the Bab. We have Blue Magic, eating grapes, drinking good strawberry banana from Pretty Healthy. Ace put me on. They bad in them. Go check them out. More so, I fuck with y'all. DMG, stay tuned. Cut Dog and Dunk on the way. We got more projects coming. Vert. Stay tuned. Fuck with us. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Share it to your mammy, your daddy, your cousin. I love y'all. C'est la vie.
Yeah. Type of nigga go up on a joyride. Roll it up, smoke it down, yeah, hold 3.5 with your bitch forehead in my lap while we really slide. And I ain't gotta tell no lies. Everybody in this car rock around carrying they fire. So don't you die playing stupid, and that's bottom line. Throw his ass in that fucking pan and watch him really fry. I guarantee that ain't the nigga who be on your side. See, we the type of niggas sit back and just chill until this shit get real. Heard that little nigga steady talking, say he in that field. Bet let's just go run a drill. This thing hitting shit for real. We don't give a fuck, this Glock gon' hit him dead up in his grill. They ask me what's been on my fucking mind, but I can't tell them that. I've been coping all this fucking pain when I just smoked the pack. When a shawty come and throw it back and she suck on my side. Don't give a fuck what they been thinking about me, and that just be facts. Papa told me I need to chill out and just relax. I try to tell him I'm a different type of breed, but he don't seem to really see the type of nigga that I be. Niggas been talking about me, but I'm just all about my green. Nigga better give me my teas, or I up it and I squeeze. If a nigga play with me, then I'ma give his ass with dreams. If a nigga playing stupid, shoot him like a movie. That little nigga goofy, lay him down, call this a roofie. Type of nigga go up on a joyride. Roll it up.
No. Some dog shit. Magic City, shout out to them. Bad little red bitch. Rose gold pieces. Got my dog. Got the AirPod Pros on deck. For $1, it's more if I get it for you. It's my dog, Twisted Maglias, 73. Might drop a motor in this soon, we don't know yet. Final touch. See them boys. Motherfucker going that vert back there. 7 trade.
Big Van in it, bitch. You block shit, sick shit. You know what the fuck going on. It's by the kilo on my neck, this shit get pricey, nigga. I'm front of you, don't get no fucks if you don't like me, nigga. I break some dick off in the ish.
Yo, you already know what it is. Your boy DMG, we back. Find let me hold the whip. We gotta go to Trippy Red, meet and greet over there in Wynwood. People meet us out here. We're gonna cut through real quick, show Trippy Red the cars. Rolling Loud weekend. Stay tuned. We're gonna hit the road.
Pricey, nigga. I'm front of you, don't get no fucks if you don't like me, nigga. I break some dick off in the air, she go to work. You ain't never count 100,000 in a vert. This shit too real.
Too real, nigga.
Yeah, this shit too real.
Too real, nigga.
Yeah, this shit break some dick off in the air, she go to work. You ain't never count 100,000 in a vert. This shit too real. If a nigga play with me, I drop that bad, bitch. I ain't cheap. I remember my first bad, blew 20,000 in 1 week. That little bitch so bougie, damn, I love her ego and physique. Damn, you know I'm choosing, switcheroo that little bitch in a week. I been in that mode, all this shit on gold. If it's up, don't duck the smoke. I had them reapers in your home. I had to run it up, ain't give a fuck about how I felt. Still
10 toes about this shit and played the cards that I was down. It's about a kilo on my neck, this shit get pricey, nigga. I'm front of you, don't get no fucks if you don't like me, nigga. I break some dick off in the air, she go to work. You ain't never count 100,000 in a verse. This shit too real. Too real, nigga. Yeah, this shit too real. Too real, nigga. Yeah, this shit. Break some dick off in the air, she go to work. You ain't never count 100,000 in a verse. This shit too.
I had Wynwood. Gotcha.
Go to work. You ain't never count 100,000 in a verse. This shit too real. I was born broke. Funny how I get paid to rock the mic. When I seen them blue honey, it was love at first sight. Came a long way from hitting lit, robbing, stealing bike. We ain't going for shit. I'm with gang, nigga, wrong or right. Real young nigga, I won't never fold up. They told me to chill, I don't wanna put that pole up. It's a brick on my wrist, nigga. This shit froze up. This shit too real. They fuck with how I switch my flows up. It's about a kilo on my neck. This shit get pricey, nigga. I'm front of you, don't get no fucks if you don't like me, nigga. I break some dick off in the air, she go to work. You ain't never count 100,000 in a vert. This shit too real. Too real, nigga. Yeah, this shit too real. Too real, nigga. Yeah, this shit. Break some dick off in the air, she go to work. You ain't never count 100,000 in a vert. This shit too real. About a kilo on my neck, this shit get pricey, nigga. I'm front of you, don't get no fucks if you don't like me, nigga. I break some dick off in the air, she go to work. You ain't never count 100,000 in a vert. This shit too real. Yeah, this shit too real. Yeah, this shit. Break some dick off in the air, she go to work. You ain't never count 100,000 in a vert. This shit too real.
Yo, y'all boys already know we pulled back up the fly shop. He let us hold the car for the day. We pulled up the Trippy Red pop-up meet out there in Wynwood at the Buddha, Shoebox Miami. You already know what it is, man. Appreciate y'all boys for having us. We drove, fly, the car rode good, all that. So stay tuned, man. Y'all gonna meet him tomorrow. A lot of that sliding. One. We got Dre Day over here. Get one with him soon. I'll stay tuned for this. This one in a runner. That's me now. Got a rod. Famous Flames going down that bitch.